Safe tonight. Dangerous this time of year. Everything going around. Hello, House Corvo. Here, come closer, come closer. So, I've been working in my workshop to make this wagon here. The light may not be the best this time of day, but holds all my valuables and things. I think it's pretty darn cool. All solid wood with the metal wheels, and I even put on this real nice hook. So that way I can even see in the dark. And as always, we'll see you next time on the channel.